So did you see what I did there? I knocked my fence with the sheet of plywood and it bumped it out of square with the table. So what I'm going to do, show you how quick it is to square it up again. All I need to do is just loosen the screws. Half the battle is finding them without looking because I want my head above the table. Just like a half a turn. But I don't loosen them all. I'm going to leave the last one. Yeah, the last one where it is. And I'm just going to sight, because I've got the fence locked on the rail, I'm going to sight it with the miter slot until it's perfectly lined up. Now, before I tighten the screws, I'm going to check it on the other side of the miter slot too, to see how that looks. And I think I can go just a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. See, when I built this saw, I line up that miter slot with the blade very carefully, and nothing changed that. So that's all there is to it. You just tighten up the screws again, and you're ready to go once again.